President of NEIDP Manipur State, Dr. N.G. Bijoy, mocked Chief Minister Nongthomba Mirain for underrating regional parties. National Secretariat member of CPI, Dr. Nara, states to begin a protest to bring a change in the electoral system of the nation. Sixth phase of Lok Sabha election concluded amid tight security for 59 seats in 7 states. And various organizations and churches of the state joined the rest of the world in celebrating International Mother's Day today. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the top stories. First up, President of NEIDP Manipur State, Dr. N.G. Bijoy, mocked Chief Minister Nongthomba Mirain, who stated that regional parties cannot retain their power in the Northeast region. Speaking to media in a press meet held at the office of NEIDP Tera today, Dr. N.G. Bijoy termed Chief Minister Nongthomba Mirain's statement published at daily papers on May 9th as unfortunate, asserting that 3 states in the Northeast are being governed by regional parties and the remaining states are formed in coalition with the regional parties. He stated that the Chief Minister's statement is misleading to the people of the state. Attending the press meet, NEIDP's Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency candidate R.K. Anand termed the statement of Chief Minister as erroneous. He further appealed to people to support the regional parties to bring an end to the issues of the state.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯁꯛꯆꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯦꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯔꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗꯨꯗ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯂꯤꯖꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ.
49 and 70 rupees gives a political decision lobada saruk yahan economic decision lobada koigi ning tamda lohon bangam gida state mo lohon bangam gida bagi wat pamyam se kanana me pigado ino haibaduni. Has the National Party Congress to OBI and the BJP no OBI have they been able to address this problem? Ngasi makhoi na sahi humdra park pasida ngasi problem se address tawgrbai ba except la lobo pon manatra except okay narol section wakal lol koi se ningha tamam Manipur ngasi slavery the handar create politically we have been reduced to mere slaves, political slaves la crime that kari khalan ge sina in the tamjaning is siguma me am se address to no legally constitutionally koi fight over changi.
Advanced Specialty Hospital and Research Institute Palace Compound celebrates International Nurses Day today. Attendees of the event paid floral tributes to the poetry of Florence Nightingale, who is also known as Lady with Lamp. Managing Director of Advanced Specialty and Research Institute, Dr. Thokchom Ibomcha, various staffs and nurses of the institution attended the event.
Modern nursing haidana patient ki care da torama thok mayam dubu hoina maduju hoji phawba hoi matung ilaga adum tawragati hoi patient sing chu phagakani parja punopu masigi wakhallon si chelaga ana ay khudimak afaba hoi view haibi wakhallon da magi chahi ki oiba mai anniversary da khoina function tawraga mayam se ma om hanna ningjang mai bo gi thaba ma pangthok sabani.
Royal School of Nursing at Wangbal also held International Nurses Day on the theme Health for All for Thoubal District today. Attendees paid floral tributes to the poetry of Florence Nightingale during the event. Bharat Sevak Samaj Manipur State Branch organized a guided tour exclusively for the senior citizens at Thang Karang with an aim to promote tourism of the state today. The tour was flagged off from the gate of All India Radio Imphal. A team of 30 members led by former Minister H. Kangjamba and senior citizen W. Kumar took part in the tour. Participants of the tour will visit Loktak Lake and offer prayers at Kuman Shrine, followed by a feast at Karang. The team will also visit Ithai Dam and INA of Moirang.
Senior citizen singa sinna punjalaga Manipur da lay punama se ngasi abe numistage koina itisik oidaba karang sida ahan boina koina chaliba tourist Manipur goina tourism simma mapalgi mayam yengnabagi damakta tourist ki asing ba saktam mamani haina unanabagi damakta koi apunba saktam mamoina ngasi taknanbo honajari bani aduga Manipur da lay itisik oidaba sumlaba yengbi aba mafam singa se koi senior citizen sina makhata namu chalaga mafam chan chana khoi fuji palibe sarkar da lakadu sarkar sing ju khoi na thilaga takse gani haiba pandam si ngasi khoi thamjari.
Proscribed groups PPAC, KYKL and United Nations Liberation Front in a press releases stated that arrest of 7 members of the 3 proscribed groups by combined team of 11th paramilitary and 17th Assam Rifles on May 10th at Indo-Myanmar border in Kamdong district was a fake arrest drama by Indian occupation forces. UNLF in their press releases stated that the arrested cadre has already surrendered to IOF in 2017. PRIPAC and KYKL in their press releases denied arrest of their respective cadres. Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon search operation at Pauna Bazaar areas today. The team, under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal West Police Aribam Ghanesham, carried out the search drive near MPP office, Mahabir Pharmacy, Masjid Road, Polo Ground, Laima Shopping and M sector from 5 to 5:45 this afternoon. Altogether, 353 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 11 individuals who failed to produce any identification documents were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Residents of Takil Kongbal Maning Laikai stay sit-in and demanding justice for Ayekpam Bedajit, organized by JC against the killing of Ayekpam Bedajit today. Speaking to media, co-convener of the JC, N. Thoy stated that Bedajit was found unconscious on the roadside at Lamboy Khongnangkhong on April 8 late at night. He added Bedajit's family was informed about the incident after he was taken to hospital by some people. The co-convener further asserted that Bedajit was found unconscious by family members upon reaching the hospital and was declared dead after some time. Speaking further, he expressed discontentment over the government for remaining silent even after completion of 1 month of the death. The co-convener further termed the statement given by the residents of Lamboy Khongnangkhong to some media on May 10 as unfortunate and asserted that the JC did not intend to blame anyone regarding the incident.
JC के मैं कई देगी मार्टिन जे मिहाट पनी हाई की बलाइते अदुना अकोई माना अकोई न मिहाट पनी हायु हाई बगी माना खबर दा हाई बोसे आरान बनी अदुबो सीगी ब मतुंग दा महा पोलोई की ब मतुंग दा नोंगा लगा मा लाई ला आगा मा मतोम दा पुखत पनी हाई न सु हायरमी अदुबो पुलिस तसु माना स्टेटमेंट लौ बदसु मागी आरान ब मयाम मयावी अदुबो अकोई न मोइना हाई माना खुम मी ब पाखुम दुगा अकोई दा हायरमी दुगा ngarang mana haira ibuduga loina khetnare akoina rims ta chapa matam da magi misi je sumaina mina hatpani haraga de ne CCTV camera ka ga yengo matam da ju ma matom da pukhat po eramde mi ani hujiki gari aso busida maning da makum dharai mamang da mana thauram mi sumaina asugum ba asoiba magi pakhum piri iba statement sing se kitang kitang soiba sina akoi de hen chingna han ba ju po halle
mari leina ba kudi mangna aigi ipuroi bagi langlanan jin puthokpi waina ai jari.
Leader of CPI Manipur State cum National Secretariat member of CPI, Dr. Nara stated that Communist Party of India will start their protest to bring a change in the present electoral system of the nation. He stated the same at 46 Hairok Local Conference held at Hairok Haitub Pokpi Laikai, organized by CPI Hairok Local Council. Speaking in the event, Dr. Nara stated that the present norms of choosing representative is a grimace to the democracy. He added, the present system leads to corruption and the winning candidate wants to extend health to their supporters only. Local members of CPI Hairok also carried out a cycle rally across Hairok before the conference. Sixth phase of Lok Sabha election concluded amid tight security today. Voting took place for 59 constituencies spread over 7 states from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Polling was held for 14 seats in Uttar Pradesh, all 10 seats in Haryana, 8 seats each in West Bengal, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh, all 7 seats in Delhi and 4 in Jharkhand. Fate of 979 candidates will be decided in this phase. A total of 59.70% voting was recorded till 6 p.m. and West Bengal has highest voter turnout with 80.1%. President Ramnath Kovind, UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi and Congress President Rahul Gandhi and eminent persons of the country also exercised their full print size. Prominent candidates in this phase include Union Ministers Radha Mohan Singh, Harshavardhan, Maneka Gandhi, Narendra Singh Tomar, Krishnapal Gujrar and Rao Indrajit Singh. Fate of cricketer turned politician Gautam Gambhir, Delhi BJP President Manoj Tiwari, Sandhvi Pragya Singh Thakur, Congress leaders Sheila Dishik, Jyoti Aditya Scindia, Digvijaya Singh and Bhupendra Singh Huda, boxer Vijendra Singh and SP President Akhilesh Yadav will also be decided in this phase. Votes will be counted on May 23rd. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on celebration of International Mother's Day in the state. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Various organizations and churches of the state joined the rest of the world in celebrating International Mother's Day today. Babupura Baptist Church, United Baptist Church, UBC and City Baptist Church jointly celebrated the day at UBC Church in Loang Sangbam. Angom Ongbi Jamuna was conferred with the Best Mother of the Year title in the event. Presentation of gifts to mothers and giving insights on Mother's Day by H. Nganbi marked the event. Students who recently passed Class 12 and 10 examinations were also felicitated on the occasion. Various churches in Bishnupur district also joined in celebrating International Mother's Day today. Phubala, Sunusifai, Loitang, Lekin Thadabi Baptist Church and Kaino Church also celebrated the day. Shaking of blessings by the youngsters and presentation of gifts to the mothers marked the event. Manipur State Indian Association of Physiotherapists IAP Women's Cell organized a free physiotherapy camp health awareness program at Khairanban Ima Market today. The program was held on the theme Healthy Mother, Healthy Society in the view of International Mother's Day today. Speaking to media, State Coordinator of Manipur State IAP Women's Cell, Dr. Angom Rita stated that mothers take great roles in bringing a better society. Maintaining that mothers of the state has been taking great roles and responsibilities in every step, she asserted that the program was organized to keep the mothers of the only women's market fit and healthy. Women vendors of the market were also provided with free physiotherapy treatment in the program.
Akoigi Ima Kaitel se biggest women market in the world. Haidana leba potnina akoigi ima singsigi activities singse asiga loina na moina tawriba thabak singsida moigi health ki maramda kaigumba khara asoy angam leirakpa haidi chahi gi factor dugi matungina leirakpa singdo akoina makeup tawwa haidi kitang awareness physiotherapy gi maramda piraga ima mother day se akoina celebration tawjabani.
Oath-taking ceremony of the newly appointed president and executive members of Students' Union of Kanglei Park SUK SUK was held at the office of Committee of Civil Societies Kanglei Park Chekon in Imphal East District today. Former President of Students' Union of Kanglei Park N. Gobin handed over official documents to the newly appointed president Dhana at the event. President of CCSK Jitendra Ningomba, Dr. T.H. Bharat of Radar, CSSEIP, MU and Chairman of HRDM Joy Chingakam attended the event. Luching production Manipuri feature film Yengdaba Ngamde was released at MSFDS in Palace Compound today. The film is directed by Luching Luwang and produced by Abungba Ningthauja. Actors Sunny, Bonnie and Suchitra are in lead roles of the film. President of Cine Actor Guild, Lokendra Takhelambang, former secretary of MSFDS Dr. Hamom Nava and renowned director O. Gautam attended the occasion. Malla Malla Lainungshi accorded warm welcome to Mr. Majestic India International 2019, Mr. Franklin and Manipur University's Manfit 2019 winner, Mr. Anand and first runner-up, Mr. Gaurav. Modeling enthusiasts, designers and many people attended the event held at Nauranthong Bazaar today.
Noristagi akhoi state ayambadagi audition je khala matungda akhoi Guwahati grand finale na tawbane adusida akhoi Mr. Miss amasung Mistress aduga kids su dum yawi se contest sida participate tawbase akhoi Manipur dagi ona di kids ayamba akhoi subtitle lawraga lai aduga Miss su akhoi Miss Manipur na lawre 2018 September dagi hana hojare modeling tawbase tawba hojare pasida agi guidelines je agi sharp bullet mana agi guidelines je fajan tawbire aduga sigi contest se Mr. Majestic India International agi ahanba contest ni asida mai palakpaje agi sharp bullet credit se pijaningi aduga hagole isida aina agi opinion haizo haiba tari akoin stage to matamda fear ma didum loine fear do conquer tonaba akoi honagadamne honardi aina kiriba fear do hena sum hona tari no mata no mari success hoina ora kadin khanje.
All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association AMFA in a press release drew the attention of the authorities concerned to bring an end to the issues of non-availability of manure or fertilizers every year for the farmers of the state. Manipur Updates and WhatsApp group took off the tree plantation campaign around Kangla Fort with the aim to curb climate change and reduce global warming today. The group further assured of holding such campaigns in various parts of the state in near future. The first annual Explore Summer Camp event kicked off at Youth Hostel in Kuman Lampak today. Overseas Point Manipur, in collaboration with Wise World Immigration and Education Consultants, Ottawa, Canada, jointly organized the event, which will be held till May 18. Around 30 students from various schools of the state are taking part in the camp, which will provide them training on critical thinking, leadership, money sense, etc. Experts will also give resourceful insights on environment sense, community services, traffic sense, etc. during the camp. Neraka FC Sangakpam held its 4th AFC Grassroots Day under the guidance of All India Football Federation at the playground of Don Bosco School, Chingmai Roma today. The event was held on the theme Let's Play Football under the aegis of Asian Football Confederation across Asia with an aim to produce efficient football players. AFC B licensee L. Premkanta, AFC C licensee T. Ibomcha and AFC C licensee A. Ken Clark, along with grassroots leader M. Robin, S. Thomas and Junjun Bora under the supervision of AFC A licensee C.H. Shantikumar are taking key roles in teaching soccer skills to 160 boys and girls footballers between 6 to 12 years. Speaking to media, President of Neraka FC Sangakpam T.H. Arun Kumar urged the coaches and family members to foster motivation and support in order to produce great football players of the state. General Secretary Dr. M. Mani Mohan, working members of the football club and many football enthusiasts attended the event.
aduna ngasi tawriba puting mga si ako'y masengi ko ako'y masengi marat cooperation maruay na parenting na lowly ba thogdang aduga maruay na ako'y na haijerubada lojjerubada harau na anang singigi thalaga ako'y bo sapat ng kitong thalaga thawai yaw na takiriba ako'y coaching sigi wakal london ni mai na bi ba contribution duna ni hainai samjage ngasi mag ako'y parenting na anang sing na coaching na lairiba official mayam na Nerokagi to puriba mayamna smaina piba contribution se hena pidi duna amuka hena abai chapunaba anami se haiba wapam se tamaga.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. President of NEIDP Manipur State, Dr. N.G. Bijoy, mocked Chief Minister Nongtomba Biren for underrating regional parties. National Secretariat member of CPI, Dr. Nara, states to begin a protest to bring a change in the electoral system of the nation. Sixth phase of Lok Sabha election concluded amid tight security for 59 seats in 7 states. And various organizations and churches of the state joined the rest of the world in celebrating International Mother's Day today.